think I have to take my parents out of this village. No. We all need to leave this village. How am I sure they will agree to this? I'll have to tell them. I'll have to tell them tomorrow that we need to leave. Immediately. Ebuka. Amara. I'm sorry it's hard to end this way. I'm so sorry. Wherever you two are, please find peace. Please find peace. To deserve this wickedness.
He killed my children. I want you to invite him. Let him come and swear if he has no hand in the death of my children.
Agozie, do you have any concrete proof that your brother is responsible for the death of your children? Do you?
Who else is fighting me in this kingdom? If not my brother Amade, who else?
Agozie.
Igwe.
It is obvious that you don't have any evidence to prove that your brother is responsible for the death of your children. For me, it is a case of God gave and God takes. And I want you to accept it like that. Okay? Listen. I don't want to entertain any case again between you and your brother in this palace. Do you hear me?
Igwe.
Agozie, you may leave.
I should go.
Agozie, leave my palace before I call the guards on you.
Okay. Igwe, are you asking me to leave your palace now? I want to understand.
Agozie, leave my palace!
I trust you, my brother, like no any other. According to our father, blood is thicker than water. 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 I trust nobody, but I trust you, my brother. Please take care of my property. Come take and put I love you, my brother.
Father, I heard you shouting. Hope all is well.
My daughter, everything is fine.
But I saw one of your elders living here without looking happy.
My daughter, I said everything will be fine.
Okay, if you say so. I will be in my room.
Okay, ask one of the maids to get me a glass of water.
Okay, Father.
Did not sound I don't understand the king anymore.
So what did he do?
He asked me out of his palace.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I am sure. My brother has bribed him.
This is bad. Hey! And I would have suggested you go to the police. But you know, cases of this village are not reported to the police. Hey!
I am downcasted.
Well, I would suggest you leave the matter for God. No, leave the matter.
Ibe, my brother. You see that land? I am not going to leave it for my brother. I won't. I won't!
So, what are you going to do now?
Watch me.
Hey.
Amadi! Where's Amadi? Amadi, come out! Okay, now go off it. Listen, Amadi. Let me just tell you. Do you think that by bribing everybody in this kingdom, I will leave the land that rightfully belongs to me to you? Is that what you think, Amadi? Oh, Amadi! I am disappointed in you, Amadi!
Ikuchago, you are finished ranting. I will tell you that I am your elder brother, and that alone demands some respect from you.
Do you think that by killing my children, I will leave that land that rightfully belongs to me to you? Remember, I built this house for you, Amadi. Amadi, don't let me be angry with you. Amadi, be careful with me. Over my dead body will I leave that land.
That should be over your dead body. Definitely over your dead body. And this very place you are coming from, please, can you look there? Look there and follow there. Amadi, leave my house.
Let me tell you.
Leave my house.
You will hear from me. You will hear from me.
I will hear from you. Get out of my house.
Out! A house I built with my own money.
Out! This is about poor. Come on,
okay, now go fit.
What's wrong? No,
Amadi,
come on, get out of
you will hear from me.
I demand some respect from you as your elder brother. Nonsense. What's going on? Mechagi.
I wish to discuss something very important with you.
Yes, go ahead.
If I want to marry the princess.
That's good. Very, very good.
Papa, I want you to fix a date that we'll go and see the Igwe.
I need to talk to some of your uncles.
Okay.
To follow us to see the Igwe. Okarama.
Okay, all the come, but him on a delay. They were dangerous.
Are you telling me Nagwa?
So
I know now.
We have to be very fast about it.
I want to start it even now.
Papa, let me go and see my wife to be.
The princess. Go, I'm solidly behind you. Okay, she is already your wife.
Let me go and see her. I'll see you soon.
That's very good. That's it. This is the kind of news I need to be hearing.
Just hold on, you like it, eh? You like it. Bring it aside.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
My princess.
Thank you.
Beautiful girl.
So tell me about your girlfriend.
I don't have anybody to talk about except you. Yes, nobody. So, why are you single?
I just want someone that will respect me.
And what makes you think I will respect you?
You will. You are so kind. What? What is that?
Wow, this is so nice. It's a pleasure.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's a big compliment.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So, from here now. Sounds sweet. So, what do you want to go? Vegetable. Yeah? Yes. Hey! Nenia! Then I now bend. Oh, my princess. Oh, from here I start going to heaven. No. Oh, this is nice. You know, I'm so happy. Nice to be with you.
I'm so happy too.
Did you know that the king walked me out of his palace because I was telling him what happened to me?
What?
Yeah,
That's... anyway, I have a suggestion, which I think will serve us better. If you ask me, I think we should leave this village. Let's leave this village and go back to the city. I'm tired.
your suggestion is good though. But if we go back to the city, where do we stay? How do we survive? We don't have that kind of money, you know.
Mama, stop saying that. Mama, stop saying. We need to leave this village. Mama, we need to leave this village. In fact, I am tired of this village, Papa. Papa, I am tired. We need to leave. Let's make movement now.
Nana, we are going nowhere. You are all aware of what happened to us. We lost virtually everything we had in the city. Our clothes, our properties were burnt. The house was also burnt. So where do we go to? I don't have the money to rent an apartment in the city. Where do I get money to buy these things?
I'll be back.
Where are you going to? Did you know that the king walked me out of his palace because I was telling him what happened to me?
What? Yeah,
That's... anyway, I have a suggestion, which I think will serve us better. If you ask me, I think we should leave this village. Let's leave this village and go back to the city. I'm tired.
your suggestion is good though. But if we go back to the city, where do we stay? How do we survive? We don't have that kind of money, you know.
Mama, stop saying that. Mama, stop saying. We need to leave this village. Mama, we need to leave this village. In fact, I am tired of this village, Papa. Papa, I am tired. We need to leave. Let's make movement now.
Nana, we are going nowhere. You are all aware of what happened to us. We lost virtually everything we had in the city. Our clothes, our properties were burnt. The house was also burnt. So where do we go to? I don't have the money to rent an apartment in the city. Where do I get money to buy these things?
I'll be back, Papa.
Where are you going to?
You should calm
Ifeoma.
down. You should calm down, man.
Papa, don't worry. She will be fine. She will be okay. Don't worry.
You should calm down.
Ifeoma.
You should calm down, man.
Papa, don't worry. She will be fine. She will be okay. Don't worry.
My princess.
Father.
What is wrong with you?
Father, something terrible happened to my love.
What is it?
He was hit by a crazy cousin and he is in the hospital.
Then she should be arrested immediately. Tell me, what is the name of her family?
Agoze's family.
I don't want to hear that name. I don't want to hear the name of that family again in this house. Never.
Father, is everything okay?
Who are you to ask me if everything is okay? I have told you that I don't want to ever hear the name of that family again in this house. Everything is fine.
What is happening? Is everything okay? You have to ask him again.
A sị na ụbọchị niile ka a na-enwe n'izu. Nkwọ, Eke, Oye, Afọ. Amagala nwoke ukwu. I want to thank you for what you have been doing for me. Maka na a sị na eto dike na nke o mere ome, omekwa ọzọ. But this time around, I want you to kill my brother and his wife. I thank you for you have done it again. Hey! Eto dike na nke o mere ome, omekwa ọzọ. Eto dike na nke o mere, omekwa ọzọ. Abakonocha amazi onye bụ onye. Agọzie emechazi aka amazi onye bụ onye n'ime mụ na agọzie. Adịghị odogwu. Ama m na otu dike mụtara odogwu, mana odogwu adịghị amarụ dike aka. Eto dike na nke o mere eme, omekwa ọzọ. Eto dike na nke o mere, omekwa ọzọ. Agọzie, by the time I'm done with you and your family, you will know who is who. Eto dike na nke o mere, omekwa ọzọ. Eto dike na nke o mere, omekwa ọzọ. Agọzie, by the time I'm done with you, you will know who you are. Eto dike na nke o mere, omekwa ọzọ.
If I heard you are responsible for Oke's predicament.
So, Papa? So? What I did to him is small. He will get double dose the next time I meet him on the road. Next time he will learn not to hit a woman.
Yes.
Now he's mad. Oh, come on.
Papa.
Papa. Hey,
Papa. Mama. Mama.
Papa.
Mama.
Papa.
Papa. Mama.
Mama.
Papa.
Chibo. Papa.
Papa.
Run! Run! Give me! Run! Don't do this now. I swear I'm not fighting again. Mama! Mama, please! Mama, stand up! Mama! Mama, be good. I'm begging you, Mama, please!
Mazi, have you heard the latest in town?
latest in town. That okay is now senseless. They have lost his senses.
Honestly, I am sick.
Papa, I'm going to the church.
The church, eh? Okay, make sure you come back on time so you can cook my food. You know, your mother always comes back from the market very late. And I want to eat.
Yes, Papa.
My daughter, how are you?
Nai, I'm fine.
You will go for my own. You heard what your father said. Come back on time.
Yes, Nai.
My daughter, go well, okay?
Yeah, see, you were saying something.
Honestly, I'm sick and tired of that family. I'm tired.
You see, I pity Agozie so much. I pity him. I really wish he could move on with his life and forget all this. 2 kids to die.
Mazi, but this is the second time you are being reasonable ever since I have known you.
You come to my house to insult me?
What is your father? What is your father? What is your father? What is your father?
In my house? It is not an insult.
What is wrong with you? Uncle.
That is it.
Uncle, you need to come with me. I don't know what is wrong with my parents, Uncle, please. Uncle, please.
What? Come, what?
I don't know. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okwa maka kuwa kamji baraka nwanne baraka nne na nna Chimi nọzikwa nso ọkwa ka I were ritasi ya ka I jiri chezo na mụ na gị bụ ofu gịnị ka mme
Uncle,
let's go.
Hey! I don't know what is wrong with my parents. Mama.
Hey! Mama. Hey!
Anile
What is this? Hey! Who is behind this? Onye Melissa! Hey!
Wa ọgazabazi odomu onye mụrụ nwanne ya n'ụwa age
Run an X-ray on him and find out that he has TBI.
TBI? Doctor, so what does that mean?
It's an external force caused by a hard blow to the head.
What kind of woman is that? I have to arrest her immediately.
She really needs to be arrested. But don't worry, with time he will regain his senses.
I know. Brother, I told you people to allow peace to reign, but you wouldn't listen. Look at what you have brought upon yourself. I know you can hear me in the spirit. When you come back, make peace. We are family, not enemies. I miss you, brother.
Princess,
Father.
Where have you been?
Father, I've been in the hospital. Maza Goze's daughter hit my friend on his head and now he has lost his senses.
Have I not told you that I don't want to hear the name of that family ever again in this palace? Have I not? How dare you? And listen, for your information, you are demobilized, grounded. You cannot leave this palace without my permission.
Father!
We will get to the root of this. This nonsense. We shall get to the root of it.
My uncle has succeeded in wiping my whole family out. He has succeeded in taking everything that meant the world to me. What is he waiting for? Why hasn't he killed me? Oh, Nana. What is he waiting for?
It is well, my daughter.
Princess,
Father.
where have you been?
Father, I've been in the hospital. Maza Gozen's daughter hit my friend on his head and now he has lost his senses.
Have I not told you that I don't want to hear the name of that family ever again in this palace? Have I not? How dare you? And listen, for your information, you are demobilized, grounded. You cannot leave this palace without my permission.
Father!
We will get to the root of this. This nonsense. We shall get to the root of it.
My uncle has succeeded in wiping my whole family out. He has succeeded in taking everything that meant the world to me. What is he waiting for? Why hasn't he killed me? Oh, Nana. What is he waiting for?
It is well, my daughter. It is well. At least we have succeeded in burying them. But my daughter, relax. There is nothing hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing. It is well.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And you say it is well. What is well about this? No, tell me. What is well about this? There is absolutely nothing well about this. And whoever is behind this, hey! All right.
Evil! Evil! Amadi, what is wrong?
What is it again?
I ask again, Amadi, what is wrong?
What is wrong?
I just noticed that ever since I took you to the Dibia, strange things has been happening. Eh? I demand for an answer and now.
Hey! Okoli, my bosom friend, you never cease to amaze me. You demand an answer.
Yes.
That is it.
Yes. Amadi, if you do not give me an answer, and now, I must expose you.
Okoli. Okoli. If I were you, I will mind my family. Now, follow this place.
Amadi.
Leave my house.
Amadi?
I said, leave my house. Okoro, this is the word. Leave my house. I will pity you just for one condition. Okoro, I pity you because there is nothing, absolutely nothing I have to gain from you. There's nothing I will gain from you. If not, you would have known the stuff I'm made of. You want and you demand an answer, not an answer. Nonsense. Get out of my place. You are very, very lucky. Nonsense. You expose you. I'm no fear.
Obi agbawago m, obi etiwago m, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi obi agbawago m.
My dear, things are really happening in this village.
Ha! I even heard from my father that Icha Amadi was the one who killed Icha Agozie's children. And the worst part of it is that Icha Agozie and the wife are both dead.
My dear, I heard the same thing. Wonder shall never end.
What a wicked word.
But come to think of it, do you think there is any truth in this thing they are saying? All the rumors going around the village?
You know what? Everything you're hearing is the truth. Everything.
Hey! Now wow.
People are wicked. People are evil.
But really, if this thing comes out to be true, oh my God. Madoga aboso nobuda. Hey.
None of my business.
Let's need the meme here. Mecha kaipo. Oh. Hey. Wow. Hey.
Eto Dikeh na nkome omekwa ọzọ. Amagala, I want you to kill the last son of Agozie, my brother. That boy, Nana must die. Nagiwelu. I still want you to make Ifeoma mad. Let her go insane. Go! It is done. Thank you, the great Amag.
Nana.
Yeah. Nana. Saga. 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 Mama. Saga. Okay. You want to fight? Come! Matcha! Oi! Jackie Chan, they fight for temple. Oh, now who change them go fight?
Obi etiwago m, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi agbawago.
before she enters the market square. Now, what kind of thing is this? Give her that was in fact. This is a problem. Yeah. The one of mine. Huh?
Thicker than water. Blood is 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 thicker than water. I trust nobody, but I trust you, my brother.
Informa, it must be well, Informa. Informa, it is well. Informa, one leg, Informa. Evil!
These people have gotten me.
Someone look at my face. Evil! Hey, my daughter. If you want,
because of this land, I have lost everyone in my family.
See that guy. Ite, we have been listening to you. But one thing you need, just one thing, you need protection and guidelines. I mean ethics and norms.
We will take you where you will gain your revenge. We are men by God.
Good. So Bolanle, because sufferings are lessons for those who don't know, and more lessons for those who want to learn more. One day, you could even find a marble performance. Bolanle, lap up. Come and wash away your tears. Lap. Cross.
O meleme. O na-abịa abịa. O meleme. O na-abịa abịa. Mortuary, you are welcome with your friends.
Thank you, wise one.
And you, I see death hovering around you. I see ghosts follow you about everywhere you go. And your uncle is responsible for this. But he has charmed the Igwe that will judge the case.
Be a man. Be a man. Just tell him what you want.
Papa, I need protection against all.
Ikuku, he needs protection. And protection he will get. The maggot that eats the kola lives in the kola. And a stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. And protection you will get. Ikuku will help you.
Take this. Collect it.
Tie it around your waist. This charm will protect you against all. No charm, no weapon will penetrate your body. But always know that every charm has its repercussion.
Thank you, wise one. It is only my sister and I that is remaining. If nothing is done fast, my wicked uncle will wipe us all.
Ikuku has helped your sister and has also helped you. With this charm, no power, no weapon can penetrate your body. You can go.
Thank you, wise one.
Go.
Thank you, wise one.
Thank you, wise one. No man born of a woman can penetrate you anymore.
But the repercussion. The repercussion.
How is he? He's not getting bent at all. I pray he gets well soon. Amen. I have to go now. My father didn't know that I sneak out. Alright, no problem, my princess. Alright. Please take your dress now. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. That's what you have brought upon yourself. Please take your dress. Take your dress, please. Please, take your dress now. Be cool, no. Brother, be cool. What kind of thing is this? If you take this one, you'll be fine. Just wait, let me give you just one. You'll be okay. Please, brother. Brother, please.
Lippy! Look at it!
Please, take
Look at
your drugs, your drugs.
Onye mụrụ nwanne ya n'ụwa a ga-etu ya odogwu. Ọkwa maka akụwa ka m ji gbara aka nwanne, gbara aka nne na nna, Jimmy nọzikwa nso. Ọkwa ka I were ritasị ya, ka I jiri chezọọ na mụ na gị bụ ofu. Gịnị ka mere gị? What have we done to deserve this wickedness from you? What have we done to deserve this wickedness from you?
Nine, have you heard that stupid Informer is now mad?
That serves them right.
Alan Apple's Informer.
Is he the only one? They will all die.
Bam.
Nonsense.
I am happy that God has vindicated us. We can now live our lives peacefully.
Of course.
Let her come and beat me.
But
I know fear.
Listen, remaining that useless boy called Nana. But leave it for me. I will take good care of you.
Our God of vindication will vindicate us.
You have vindicated already. You have vindicated already.
Onyemado. I know fear.
But I assure you that immediately I finish deleting this Agozie's family, I will face that useless man, that cockroach called Ibe. I will face them.
It's our God that is fighting for us.
Our God is fighting for us and will continue to fight for us. Our gods are fighting for us, and
Wipe
they will
all
continue
of
to
them.
fight for us. After that useless man, also, I will deal with him. Personally, I will deal.
I trust you. I trust my husband. The land is our own.
Yes.
I get that one.
Nonsense.
Hey.
Bring them out! All of them! So we can feel the pain.
What is the meaning of this? Look on him.
Like down!
What is it? What did you do?
Now, move here.
No, please.
If I scatter you, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Hey!
No. Please, don't kill me.
You think I don't know?
Shut up your mouth.
You killed my parents. You make my sister mad.
Please,
confess. I will confess. Confess.
I will confess.
Tell your family what you have done.
Please, I will confess.
I'm making noise.
Confess.
I will kill your parents and their siblings. Please. See.
Mpai will kill you. Mpai will kill you.
In front of your family.
The land truly belongs to Agozia, your father.
Papa! Don't plan one in Nazo. How?
Mpa will kill you. Mpa will kill you. Mpa will kill you.
And your siblings, I killed them.
Amadi Bugopon.
I made your sister mad. Please. Don't kill me.
Amadi Kaisifor.
Your husband killed my parents,
my brother, my sister. You make my sister mad.
Papa, you're not ashamed of yourself. See where you're sleeping outside. You're not ashamed of it.
You killed my parents. No. He killed my parents.
Your gun is making noise. Your gun. Change.
He killed my parents.
He killed my parents. He killed my parents.
Hey!
He killed my parents.
Abuka!
Abuka!
Police! Like that! Police!
That was how you caught me.
What of your sister?
I heard she got herself immediately.
It's a pity. The court have charged you by hanging.
I don't care. My happiness is that I have taken my revenge.
Obi agbawago m, obi etiwago m, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi o. Obi agbawago m, obi etiwago m, ife nwanne mere nwanne ya, ọ na-agbawa obi o. Alilebue m, alilebue m, alilebue m. Azabazi odogwu, onye gburu nwanne ya n'ụwa, a ga-etu ya odogwu. Ọkwa maka aka ụwa ka m ji gbara aka nwanne, gbara aka nne na nna, Chimi nọzikwa nso. Ọkwa ka i were ritasị ya, jiri chezo na mụ na gị bụ ofu. Gịnị ka mere gị? What have we done to deserve this wickedness from you?